हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल लिव लाइफ विद जया। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ अच्छे होंगे, मजे में होंगे। मैं यहाँ परफेक्टली फिट एंड फाइन हूँ और आज मैं आपके लिए एक जबरदस्त रेसिपी लेके आई हूँ। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू बेक अ टूटी फ्रूटी केक विद ऑल ऑफ यू। सी, so this how the final product looks. So this is a tutti frutti cake and can you see how nicely it's baked? So this is my daughter's favorite, mine also. So बहुत दिनों से वो रिक्वेस्ट कर रही थी, so I thought that why not, and so I thought to share this recipe with all of you people, the lovely ones. और the best part of this cake is कि मैंने इस केक को बेक करने के लिए I have used oil. So generally ठंड में especially in winters or maybe in normal temperature also, if you use oil while baking your bakery things, the best part of oil is that it helps to it keeps the cake moist, and it also light up the texture of cake. But if you want, you can even use butter instead of oil, or maybe you can do half proportion. You can use half butter, half oil. So this is something which I'm going to show you. I'm going to bake. I'm super excited. So let's start baking. So let's start baking a tutti frutti cake. So first, in a large bowl, I'm going to break 3 large eggs, and the eggs are in room temperature. Into these 3 large eggs, I am going to add 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar. Then I'm going to add a dash of vanilla essence, maybe half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, and then I'm going to add 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Any oil will work which don't have any flavor. Now I'm going to whisk everything nicely. I'm using a hand blender. If you want, you can use just a normal whisk. That's it. Once my all wet ingredients are nicely mixed up, now I'm going to add my dry ingredients. So in my dry ingredients, first of all, I'm going to sieve it. I just put a sieve. First, I'm going to use 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add this. Then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to use just a dash of salt, a pinch of salt, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to sieve it. And now, with the help of spatula, with cut and fold method, I'm going to mix everything nicely. So from this part, I won't use the beater, because if I mix it more, then the gluten will form, जिससे हमारा केक soft नहीं होगा. And the best part of this cake is, especially मैं इसको winter में बनाती हूँ, and just because मैंने इसमें I have added vegetable oil. So what the vegetable oil will do, it will keep the cake moist. It won't harden up like butter. And the other best part is adding vegetable oil makes the cake bit more lighter, fluffy. But if you don't want to use vegetable oil, you can even use butter, or you can do half butter and half vegetable oil. So once, as you can see, it's just a one pot as everything is nicely mixed up. So here I took 1 cup of Tutti Frutti and I have dusted with all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add this whole Tutti Frutti into my batter. Mix everything nicely. ये तो अभी से it's looking so yum and my daughter is going to love it. Now once my mixture is nicely mixed up, I'm going to transfer this batter into my prepared loaf tin. Here I have a 9-inch loaf pan which I have put a parchment paper on it. If you want, then you can you can grease it with butter and all-purpose flour, but for me parchment paper works. Now I'm going to transfer this whole batter into my prepared tin. So I have transferred my batter into the prepared tin, as you can see, and I'm going to add some more Tutti Frutti on top of it to sprinkle it. Now I'm going to take my batter and I'm going to bake it in my oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes, and once it's baked I'm going to show to you how it looked like. So guys, as you can see that my cake is out of the oven, so I'm going to transfer it into a plate and then I'm going to show you. So this is my cake, and that's why I say the best part of using parchment paper is that it's very easy to demold it. Otherwise there is no such issue. You can even grease your pan with some butter and dust it with flour. It will work absolutely fine. See the whole cake, can you see the texture, how nicely it's baked? So let me cut it into slices and show you how it looks like. Just see, I have already sliced it up. It's super moist. I'm going to show you. Do I need to say anything? So let me show you a slice of a cake. See, it's just loaded with Tutti Frutti. It's just perfectly baked. So let me give a taste test. Just can't stop eating it. And can you see how evenly it's distributed? It's because I have dusted the Tutti Frutti with all-purpose flour, so it will evenly distribute in your cake batter. So if you like Tutti Frutti cake, then I would request you that you please try this recipe. And my family, my friends all love it, and especially I just bake it for my kid. So hope you guys like this recipe, and if you like it, then please do try it and leave a comment section below. I would love to read your feedback. And no worries of the ingredients quantity. I have already mentioned in the video, and I'm going to write it down in the comment section below. So you will get each and every ingredients quantity there, and please do try this, and please subscribe to my channel. Until that time, bye bye, love you all, spread lots and lots of love. Bye.